How to use the webcam on your ASUS laptop. Now it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. The first step is you need to load up your start menu and then click on settings. From the left hand side, click on privacy and security. You can then scroll down this page and click on camera. Now make sure camera access is turned on. Also make sure let apps access your camera is switched on. And then scroll down to let desktop apps access your camera and also make sure this is turned on. You can then close out of this window, open up your start menu again and type in camera. You can then open up the camera app, and if you see this notification, just click privacy settings, and where it says let apps access your microphone, make sure the camera app is turned on like this. You can then go and press OK and click on yes. Now in order to actually use the camera, you need to first make sure the shutter is open on your laptop. So you'll see a little switch here at the top of your laptop, and this is going to enable and disable your camera. So just make sure the camera is turned on like this, and then you can start using the webcam on your computer.